Tapos, sa 10 unang dinisclose na real properties under assets, naging 3 na lang. Bakit ganon? Or subject yun ng isasagot nyo mula sa inyong accountant at saka inyong counsel?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Oh, kailangan sagutin kasi weird
Opo.
talaga eh. As in very, very weird. Oo. Oo. I-1 SALN, ayun, business interests and financial connections not applicable. Walang disclosures. Samantalang yung Samantalang yung June 30 SALN, naka-disclose at least yung QJJ Embroidery Center at yung yung Conhorc Summer Real Estate Group. Pero yung amended SALN nyo, nasabi